definitely our grand moment to meet our idol in flesh. Yan. So, kumustahin natin ang ating mga nagmamahal na fans.
Basta tayo dyan, SM City Downtown! Excited naman. All of you guys are beautiful today and I hope y'all just enjoy. Kasi bukas, tomorrow night, none other than makakapag-perform na rin ako sa harap ninyo. Dito tayo sa SMX Convention Center, malapit sa Marikit Park. Alam niyo na yan. Ay tutuloy natin yan. Walang makakapigil sa atin.
Just to share with everybody that earlier, our very own Music Mill was given an award, a messenger of hope.